'cause I'm a fool for your love.
Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back to Chris and Makala. I know it's been a long time, but we are back.
And we are going on a day trip to Miami. So it's Chris's first time going to Miami, and we thought it'd be fun to kind of take you along with us. So here we go. So we just got to Miami.
Just made it.
We're getting ready to go to brunch, and then we're gonna probably go like ride some bikes and head to the beach.
Yep.
At the social club.
We're currently at the social club in Miami Beach.
Enjoying a brunch before we go on an adventure. With mimosas.
Chicken just waiting to be plucked.
Excuse me? Are you having fun, babe? We decided to rent bikes, and we're currently going to South Beach or South Point Park or whatever. We're gonna hang out there for a little bit, then go chill on the beach. And I got Chris with a bike with no brakes, so he's going very, very slow. Are you enjoying your ride, Chris?
Nope.
No. Really?
I'm afraid I'm gonna run into somebody.
Update on Chris. He's so slow.
Big water.
I love that sound. So far, so good. We just had a little mini photo. Now we're gonna go in the water, and I'm gonna be strong, so Chris will come in the water with me.
Nope.
Yeah, you're
You're
coming
on
with
your
me?
own.
Huh?
You are on your own. This water is freezing. Ah. It is freezing.
Chris is a chicken. He doesn't want to come out to the water with me. He's too cold. But look how clear this water is. Come on, Chris. Come on. Such a chicken.
So what I thought was an empty
I know, that's
plastic
what I'm
bag turned out to be a sea slug.
Look at him. You think he needs help? Ooh, that's so gross. We're toast. Look at my freckles. Oh my gosh. We're sunburnt. My nose is sunburnt.
I'm the same.
And Chris is the same. But we're gonna go find something to eat, and then we're probably going back to the airport, and it'll be the end of our day trip. Ooh.
I'm ready for those shrimp tacos.
Yeah, me too. We're gonna try some shrimp tacos that I've tried before, so that should be fun. Is it hot? I said, is it hot? You're swole.
So right now we're in the art district.
Wynwood Walls Art District. Checking out all the different kind of art. So we'll show you around. I've wanted to come here a couple times, but I haven't had the chance to. So me and Chris get to experience it together.
Yeah.
Be excited, babe.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.